Hello there. I know it's been a long while, but I'm back. We have sort of been working a lot on a platform called Aakashvani. We have been building it at BhuvisX. It's been quite some time since we have been actually sort of working on this, and I wanted to sort of show you guys a detailed video where I show you guys all the features, all the small details, and our thought process behind building all those features. At the same time, our thought process of how it's going to benefit you as a customer, right? I'm making this video primarily to show it to the people around me, basically, because people have been asking me, what are you doing right now? What is this platform all about? So I want to show them this video to sort of show them how the platform essentially works. So I'll just start off with a small call, right? A sample call, if you may say so.
मैं आर्यन बोल रहा हूँ प्रोवेव कंसल्टेंट्स की तरफ से देवगढ़ जमसुंडे में सीव्यू अपार्टमेंट्स प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ। क्या आपकी देवगढ़ या कोंकण एरिया में सीव्यू फ्लैट या जगह लेने की इच्छा है?
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। मुझे पहले आप ये बताइए, आपको मेरा नंबर दिया किसने?
अच्छा, नंबर के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं। प्रोवेव कंसल्टेंट्स का जो डेटाबेस है ना, वहां से मिला। जिन्होंने पहले कभी देवगढ़ या कोंकण एरिया में प्रॉपर्टी में
नहीं
इंटरेस्ट
नहीं
दिखाया
नहीं
था।
सर, नहीं नहीं, पहले मुझे आप बताइए कि आपको मेरा नंबर मिला कहाँ से। मैंने कभी किसी को इंक्वायरी नहीं किया हुआ है, आपको मिला कहाँ से?
देखिए, मैं समझ सकता हूँ आपकी बात। हमारे पास जो नंबर्स आते हैं वो अलग अलग सोर्सेज से आते हैं, जैसे प्रॉपर्टी पोर्टल्स हो गए या रियल एस्टेट इवेंट्स। हो सकता है आपने पहले कभी कहीं इंक्वायर किया हो, पर अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं
सर
है तो कोई
नहीं,
बात
नहीं किया हुआ मैंने कहीं पे भी इंक्वायर।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। मैं आपका नंबर डेटाबेस से हटा देता हूँ, दोबारा कॉल नहीं करेंगे। आपका दिन अच्छा जाए। नमस्ते।
Right. So you see, even when I tried to sort of bring up an objection saying कि मैंने कहीं पे register नहीं किया हुआ, even if this is like a cold call, that is still able to handle that call well. Now, I know that a lot of people are actually currently doing this. A lot of them are using N10, or lot of them are using Bolna platform, right? The thing about our platform Akashvani is that we have built everything homegrown, right? So our essentially our USP is that we can provide very cheap per minute cost to our customers without really giving them a lot of extra money to spend on call per minute, basically. So the platform essentially works on any sort of cold calling list. It can also work on hot lists or enquiries that you may receive. We are slowly expanding into other custom requirements of the customer. If, let's say, there are enquiries coming from a specific CRM, and if our customer wants that lead to be followed up once at the same time when we receive the lead to the CRM, that also can be done, right? So all of those customizations we can easily work on, and are working on, and are working to standardize on top of it. And we are not just giving you the entire system. It's not like just a software cost, one time cost. It's not like that. We are giving you a continuous service. It's about developing the features that you want to integrate into your system, at the same time creating outcome for your business. Essentially, that is the goal that we have in our hand, not just to run bots for you, but to also see if you are getting the outcomes you want, right? So and on top of this, we are also providing unlimited scripting, right? So obviously each business will have multiple scripts, multiple bots will be required for the same. There will be incoming calls, there will be outgoing calls, and for all of that we can do customization. We can do multiple scripting, multiple bot setup. That's not the concern. But we do have like a fixed subscription cost going monthly. I won't be mentioning those costs here right now, but you can go and check it out, right? If you DM me anywhere, I can send you the costing sheet as well. So the whole point of building this platform was to essentially, we see a huge market out there for cold calling, for for calling in general, right? But we want sales to be our niche. We want to work with salespeople in different industries. That may be sales, that may be bookings, that may be enquiry. All the same for us. We want to be the revenue engine for any organization. Basically, we want we want our platform to sort of help you make more money and generate more leads and create more revenue for your own business, right? So that is the overall concept and the philosophy we are operating with. Let me just quickly show you guys my screen also so that you can see the platform. So this is how the dashboard looks like, right? So this is just the dashboard that we have made for, kind of standardizing all the things, but we can give you custom dashboards as well. That's not the issue, right? So here in the campaigns, you can go or to the specific campaigns to check the performance. On under dashboard, you will see an overview of what is going on with all the campaigns together, right? You can run multiple campaigns together. Now there are credits, obviously, based on the package that you are going for. We will be adding credits to your system. If those credits end, you can renew those credits as well. So one credit is equal to 1 rupee. So it's as easy as that. So the second thing is the interested leads. We track down how many interested leads we have gotten after calling how many people. Right now there are 0 calls going on. This is a wrong stat, by the way. This is the answered calls should show somewhere around 400-500 calls, right? And over here you can see all the live activity that goes on, right? I mean the recent activity that has taken place, and obviously you can monitor it timely as well if you want, if you're interested in, let's say, looking at 2 days, 3 days for last month, anything, right? So it is as simple as that. And in the campaigns tab you can go for, so this is like a interface that we have created for cold leads particularly. But yeah, I mean, you can obviously tell us to customize more and we can work on the customization as well. So you can also filter, obviously. You can filter, you can check calls. Let's say if I, let's say, do interested calls, it only shows me interested calls. So let's say let's check out a recording, right?
नमस्ते, मैं सलीम शेख जी से बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, हेलो हेलो हेलो।
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है। मैं आर्यन बोल रहा हूँ प्रोवेव कंसल्टेंट्स की तरफ से। देवगढ़ जमसुंडे में सीव्यू अपार्टमेंट्स प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ। क्या आपकी देवगढ़ या कोंकण एरिया में सीव्यू फ्लैट या जगह लेने की इच्छा है?
जगह लेने की इच्छा है, फ्लैट तो नहीं।
अच्छा, जगह लेने की इच्छा है, ठीक है। वैसे हमारे पास इसी प्रोजेक्ट में 1 BHK, 2 BHK, डुप्लेक्स और पेंट हाउसेज भी अवेलेबल। तो क्या आप फ्लैट में इंटरेस्टेड रहेंगे या सिर्फ जगह ही देख रहे हैं? और आप
जगह फ्लैट में नहीं।
ठीक है, मैं समझ गया, जगह की रिक्वायरमेंट है। वैसे हमारे पास एक सेपरेट प्लॉट भी है रूली में 13,500 स्क्वायर फीट का, जो बिकाऊ है। क्या आप उसमें इंटरेस्ट रखेंगे या फिर आपका कोई स्पेसिफिक बजट है जगह लेने के लिए?
इतना बड़ा नहीं चाहिए, 5 गुंठा नहीं तो ऐसा चाहिए अपन को।
I won't play the entire recording. You get the point that I'm making. So it makes conversation with the customer. It gives you an entire call recording. It gives you transcript. It extracts information related to the call. I mean, if the person is interested, not interested, interested in what exactly, right? Not just for real estate. We are currently focused on real estate, but you can also extrapolate this for any industry like medical clinics. Anything really, right? So that is the overall concept behind this, and currently the whole system is optimized for cold calling. So if you, let's say, have any requirement for cold calling, you don't need to add employees to your company. I think this system will do a good enough job in order to actually generate hot leads for you on a daily basis, on a regular basis as such. So this is like the dashboard. This is, I mean, very simplistic, right? We are trying to also work on N10 stuff in order to automate more and more of the operations, so that we can automate for WhatsApp, as well as we can do integration with emails as well. So those things are on the way. I mean, they're almost done. We can make them customized for you. So that is like a very, very short overview of the entire system. But we do also have a very comprehensive backend. We have developed it. It has been like 2 months now. We've been working on it. and it is highly optimized, and it is highly workable as well. It is just that we want to get into multiple applications, so that we can do more standardization to our product and add more features essentially. So we'll be working step by step on those updates as well. But yeah, I mean, it has actually been a super good journey, right? Trying to understand customers' problems, and then tailoring solution for that specific customer, and then going back to the board in order to do customization for other customers, and then trying to understand the overall requirement, and then doing standardization as well. All of those tasks have been, extremely good as well. So if you want a demo of our platform, it's quite simplistic as I showed you guys. And if you have any requirement or application in mind, which can actually any business that you know of that requires this kind of automation, then we can do it for a very, very reasonable amount. And we are trying to keep ourselves very tight to the customer outcomes. So if you do not get outcomes, that is upon us, right? That is our responsibility essentially. So as a company, we are thinking about providing very good service coupled with the software, because software is no more a moat in this industry. Anyone can really go for software, but we really want to work hard on creating a good service for the customer, so that we bring good output as such to you, instead of just robotically having a SaaS platform and you keeping a tap of the dashboard. That is not the goal. So we are here with you on the journey as well, in trying to understand and trying to optimize the system to make the outcomes better for you, right? And open for any kind of customizations, open for any suggestions as well from any developers. If they are also watching, would love to hear from you as well. If there are any suggestions, how can we make this thing better? Uh, and yeah, I will be making more videos. Not just like this. This is like a very demo sort of video. I quickly wanted to take a record. I will be posting this tomorrow, most probably. I'm not getting a lot of time in my life, so it's getting hard to do all the content creation. But I will definitely keep you guys posted on all the updates over here on YouTube as well, because this is like YouTube is like has always been like my primary platform as such. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.